Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter out of yogurt. First, gather your ingredients: full-fat plain yogurt, a bowl, and a whisk or electric mixer. Ensure your yogurt is cold for best results. This process is surprisingly simple and yields a delightful, fresh butter you can enjoy in many ways. Let's get started on this easy guide. Now, let's get to the core of the process. Place your cold, full-fat yogurt into a mixing bowl. Using an electric mixer on medium-high speed or a whisk with vigorous effort, beat the yogurt. You'll notice it first becomes fluffy, then starts to separate into solid butterfat and a watery liquid, which is whey. Keep mixing until the butterfat clumps together. Once the butterfat has formed a solid mass, carefully drain off the liquid whey. You can save the whey for other recipes. Next, transfer the butter to a bowl of ice-cold water. Knead and press the butter under the water, changing the water several times until it runs clear. This step removes any remaining whey, which helps preserve the butter and improves its flavor. Finally, it's time to season your homemade butter. You can add a pinch of salt to taste or incorporate herbs and spices for flavored butter. Press out any last drops of water, then shape your butter into a log or block. Store your fresh yogurt butter in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for several days. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.